Hey guys, Mark Holthe here. I just wanted to take a few seconds to share with you a pretty awesome thing today. And it is, I don't know if you can see this, but this right here, it's probably backwards for you guys, is my Elections Canada voter card. And I just went into this fine place right there. You can see, there's the vote sign. And I exercised one of my responsibilities and civic duties, which is to vote. So I just took care of that. Super grateful. One of the great privileges of being a Canadian citizen. So hopefully some of you guys that are working through the Canadian immigration process will one day be able to have that opportunity to do it as well. So today we'll see what happens with this election, but the vote was done. So stay tuned, and I guess we'll see in a couple hours who the next political party is in Canada, whether the Liberals are going to stick around or whether the Conservatives. And I just might do a special podcast on my Canadian Immigration Podcast in the morning, talking about what the impact is of this election on, well, our immigration process. So it's a little bit windy out here, but this is actually my church building. So this here is our church, is actually the place where the voting is taking place in this part of our city. So it's been a wonderful day, and once again I'm super grateful for the privilege that I have to vote as a Canadian citizen, and I exercise that duty, that civic obligation and privilege today. So we'll see how it all plays out. Remember guys, today is the last day for you. There's only probably about 6 or 7 hours left for you to get the Express Entry Complete Step-by-Step Guide to doing it yourself for 60% off. So that's $198.80 instead of the regular $497. So go into the banner image above and you can see it, but take advantage of it. Anyways, wonderful. I wanted to share that with you guys. Have a wonderful day. Take care.